This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Galaxy supports super wallpaper and freeing space so downloads install reliably. Once done, update the theme and wallpaper modules in Galaxy Store or Play Store. This fixes missing features. Next, open Settings and tap Wallpaper and Style to access wallpaper options. You do this now because the system enforces version checks. Without the updated services, you won't see super wallpaper options. Make sure your lock screen and home screen permissions are enabled so the effect can apply. You now select a super wallpaper from Galaxy Store or the built-in list. Preview to see the animated transition between lock and home. Once you tap Preview, observe performance impact and transition speed so you can decide whether to use it on both screens. After deciding, tap Apply and choose whether to set it for home and lock or lock only. You do this because super wallpapers use dynamic rendering and can affect battery, so choosing scope matters for balance between visuals and efficiency. You finish by optimizing performance and handling common failures. If animations are choppy, switch to performance mode or lower system animations in developer options. This smooths rendering without removing the wallpaper. If super wallpaper doesn't appear, clear the Wallpaper and Themes app cache, restart the phone, and reopen wallpaper settings. Also check battery optimizer exclusions so the wallpaper service isn't killed. If it still fails, reinstall the Galaxy Themes/wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.